Alright guys, quick little video here. Figured somebody might actually find it useful. I was unable to find anything on the internet about this, so I kind of had to figure it out myself. But anyway, this is the Harley-Davidson Detachables, one of them anyway. Windshield comes with this hardware that you have to attach to the forks here, and goes on pretty easy. However, in the directions, when you get it, it'll tell you have to realign the clutch cable, which is here. It'll tell you you have to move the turn signals, which are obviously still where they're supposed to be, or where their original location is. So anyway, this video is basically to tell you don't have to do any of that, at least on this 2003 Wide Glide. This is just for this particular bike, so I can't speak for anything else. But I imagine it's probably going to be pretty similar on other bikes as well. So basically, it comes with this kit. Obviously, this is designed to have the turn signal mount to it, right? So anyway, it kind of looks silly, but it is what it is. Obviously, you can match the thread on this to the pattern on the mount and get a smaller bolt for that. I think it looks okay for right now. I'm not too concerned with it. Obviously, later on, I might get a different piece here to bolt into that, but works out really well. Actually, there's obviously you can see these clips in here. They just come off and you pull the window off, and it works out pretty good. It all comes with these four little grommets right here. All of the screws and stuff that come with the kit. It's like 80 bucks from Harley. It all comes with everything you need. In order to secure it and to ensure that it's secured, put this nut on here. That way we can turn this on and off as we need to, so we know it's not going to come off. But anyway, quick little video, guys. You do not need to realign or take off your turn signals or your clutch cable in order to get these on here. Once again, this is just for, at least in my knowledge, the Dyna Wide Glide, so I can't speak for the other ones, but I imagine since they're all pretty similar, it's probably pretty much the same situation. But so anyway, it turned out pretty good. Looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Looking forward to seeing how it goes, and that's the video, guys. So hopefully this was helpful. Once you figure out that you don't have to do all that stuff, it only takes about 15-20 minutes to put everything on. The hardest part, obviously, is these clamps here that you have to undo. This nut right here is a pain in the ass to get back on, but once you get there, it's actually pretty decent, and get it secure, and it actually works really well. So easy to take on and off, and for the money, it's not too bad. So all right, guys, that's basically the video. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hopefully this was helpful to somebody.